Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you how to improve your speaking skill using a short story. This story is related to the use of simple past tense. Well, we use simple past tense to express an action or an activity which happened in the past. Well, the pattern of simple past tense is subject plus verb 2. Then the negative form is subject plus did not or didn't, then followed by verb 1. Then the question form of the simple past tense is did plus subject, then plus verb 1. We can also use question words like what, when, why, or how, and then followed by did plus subject plus verb 1. Good. Now, to improve your speaking skill, you should listen to me carefully and repeat after me sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. You should also try to memorize the story and try to retell it. In the end, I will ask you some questions about it. Now, please listen and repeat after me sentence by sentence. In 1609, Henry Hudson discovered the Hudson River. Then the Dutch came and settled on Manhattan Island. They bought the island from the Indians. The Dutch called their settlement New Amsterdam. But in 1664, the English captured the island from the Dutch and changed the name of the island from New Amsterdam to New York. Now, the island is part of New York City. Good. Do you still remember the story? Now, please answer my questions. Question number 1. Who discovered the Hudson River? Question number 2. Did the Dutch come later? Good. Did the Dutch settle on Manhattan Island? What did the Dutch call their settlement? The next question. Who captured the island in 1664? Did the English capture the island? Good. Did the English change the name of the island? The last question. To what did the English change the name of the island? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.